Are your Klaviyo email buttons looking plain and generic? Learn to add a fully branded button with custom font, color, border, and shadow in under 3 minutes. We'll navigate to the button settings, customize the font and color, then add the finishing touches of border and shadow, and save.
Click on Content. Then head over to Media and Brand. Click on Buttons. Now click Add Button to create a new one. Type a name for your button. Click the Font Style drop-down. Then select a font that fits your brand. We'll also change the color. Let's use red for a bold look. Let's add a border as well. Click on Add Border to apply it. Add a drop shadow. Click on Add Drop Shadow. Click the Drop Shadow option. Pick a color for the shadow. We'll go with blue. Finally, click Save. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.